This is the fourth biology topic on diseases. A pathogen is a disease-causing microorganism, which just means that a pathogen is the thing that causes diseases. There are lots of types of pathogen. These two types are bacteria and viruses. Examples of bacteria are food poisoning and TB. And not all bacteria are bad, which means that some of them aren't pathogens. And the body is the perfect conditions for bacteria to reproduce. And what it does is it damages cells and produces toxins. Viruses, on the other hand, some of them include the common cold, AIDS, and flu. Medication makes viruses more resistant. Viruses are parasites, which means they rely on the host to survive, the host being the human in this case. Viruses reproduce inside living cells, and they contain a protein coat and genetic material. The one similarity between bacteria and viruses is that they both reproduce through mitosis, which is exponential growth. More about bacteria then. Bacteria produces toxins, and these toxins can be broken down by what's known as antitoxins. Antitoxins destroy toxins, and they are created by lymphocytes, which is a type of white blood cell. So there's two types of white blood cell, lymphocytes and phagocytes. They're the body's defense system. And lymphocytes create antibodies and antitoxins. The antitoxins destroy toxins that are created by bacteria. The antibodies stick pathogens together and then dissolve them. Certain antibodies only attack specific pathogens, and the body takes time to create new antibodies. However, if the antibodies have been created before, it gets stored in memory so that if you get that disease again, you can kill it immediately. And that's exactly why vaccines exist. They create a small amount of a dead or weakened pathogen particles, which makes you become immune to the thing in the future itself, because it knows how to create it instantly. So, yeah, the body becomes immune to disease, which does make a lot of sense. So we've gone through what all this does. Now let's see antibiotics. So antibiotics damage bacteria and kill them, but they can't kill viruses. The reason for this is because it has a protein shell, which protects it against it. Medicines contain useful drugs, but they only soothe symptoms. That's the difference between medicines and antibiotics. The fact is, medication such as antibiotics does not work on viruses, as it just makes the viruses more resistant as they learn how to get through it, which makes it, in a way, more dangerous. So yeah. The only thing that really works on viruses is the phagocytes. The lymphocytes mainly create things which are used to destroy bacteria, as seen by the antitoxins which destroy the toxins. It seems this isn't that much of a big topic. So yeah, also the reason why parasites rely on the host to survive is because it has the optimal conditions for them to be alive. If they are not within the host or on the host, they can't take that heat and that energy away from it, They can't drain it. Okay, that's diseases. Goodbye.